Good morning to all. Today we are going to see the ongoing lesson, that is The Hour of Truth by Percival Wilde. Now we are at the last part, isn't it? Here up to now we have completed 12 classes in the lesson The Hour of Truth. Here in the last class we have seen that Baldwin is saying that Gresham asked me to see, isn't it? And here Baldwin is saying to their children, his children, that he has some notes with him, and if the court asks any questions, he will answer to that. So Gresham won't go to jail. That is the suggestion of Baldwin. Let me see what's happening next. John: yes, and you are willing to jail the man after whom you named your son. In the last class we have seen that Gresham, the name Gresham, that is Baldwin's friend, it was given to whom? That is Baldwin's son, as John Gresham Baldwin, isn't it? So here John is asking to Baldwin that you are now going to make your friend to jail. That is, the name is also with him. Whom? With John. That is, the name of the son is also to the friend of Baldwin. So here what he was saying, yes, and you are willing to jail the man. So now you are going to put the man in jail. Who was going to put? Here Baldwin was going to put the man in jail. After whom you named your son. Here, after whom you named your son. You have named your son as Gresham, John Gresham. So it will affect me also. Who will affect that? Yes, John, that is Baldwin's son, to affect that. Here, Martha: I believe in being merciful, Robert. I believe in being merciful. Here, Martha was saying that you have to believe. Here, Martha is saying what? That Martha is believing that in being merciful, that Baldwin will show mercy to Gresham. Again, here Martha is saying that Baldwin will show mercy to Gresham. Who is expecting that? Martha is expecting, and she is believing that. Baldwin: merciful? What do you mean? I have to show mercy? Here mercy here meaning kindness, isn't it? Mercy here meaning kindness. Martha: Mr. Gresham has always been very good to you. Now at first Martha, Evie and John, all these three are at first what they did? They are angry to Gresham. At first they are very angry, they are very furious to Gresham. But after hearing that $100,000, after hearing that $100,000 that was given to Baldwin, and at that time what Baldwin is saying, that I didn't get that money. Isn't it? At that time, these three people are supporting Gresham. Okay, these three persons are supporting Gresham. Here, that's why he is saying that Mr. Gresham has always been very good to you. Here, Mr. Gresham was always good to you. Whenever you have some need, at that time, who is helping? Gresham is helping. When John was small, when he was child, he was baptized. John has baptized. At that time, on that day, who is the sponsor for that day? Here, Gresham is the sponsor for that day, for all the things. അന്നത്തെ ചെലവിൻ്റെ മൊത്തം ആരെടുത്തു? ഇവിടെ ഗ്രഷാമാണ് അന്നത്തെ ചെലവിൻ്റെ എടുത്തത്. ജോണിൻ്റെ മാമോദിസയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഉള്ള ചെലവുകൾ എല്ലാം ആര് വഹിച്ചു? ഗ്രഷാം. Here, I believe in being merciful, Robert. Here, Baldwin, merciful. Martha, Mr. Gresham has always been very good to you. He is always very good to you. There is another pause. Curiously enough, they do not seem to be able to meet each other's eyes. Here, curiously enough, they do not seem to be able to meet each other's eyes. Martha, oh, well, what are you going to do now, Robert? Here, Martha is asking to Robert, what are you going to do now, Robert? എന്താണ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾ? What do you expect? Baldwin, what do you mean? Here, Martha, you have been out of work since the bank closed. Now you are without job. Here, Martha is saying, now you are without job after the bank closed. Bank പൂട്ടിയതിൻ്റെ ശേഷം ഇവിടെ ആർക്കാണ് ജോലി ഇല്ലാതിരിക്കുന്നത്? Baldwin. So here, what she was saying, you have been out of work since the bank closed. Baldwin, oh, I will find a position. Here, I will find a position here meaning a new job. I will find a new job. Okay. I will find a new position here meaning new job. Okay. I will find a position. Here, John, if Gresham doesn't go to jail, he will start in business again, won't he? And he can't offer you anything less than a partnership. Here, what John is saying at that time, if Gresham doesn't go to jail, what John was saying, Gresham jailiki poitillengil, what will happen? He will start in business again. He will start the business again. വീണ്ടും ബിസിനസ് തുടങ്ങുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഓൺ ഹി, അല്ലയോ? തുടങ്ങില്ലേ? ഗ്രഷാം തുടങ്ങില്ലേ? and he can't offer you anything less than a partnership. If he start a new business, what will happen? You will be the partnership. നിങ്ങൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഗ്രഷാമിൻ്റെ പാർട്ട്ണർഷിപ്പ് ആയിരിക്കും. He will consider you. So you have to mind your words when you are in court. കോർട്ടിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് പറയാൻ പോകുമ്പോഴും എന്ത് വേണം? നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. You can say that you have no memory. You can say that you have no memory by saying I don't remember. If they are asking difficult questions, you can answer according to the notes with you. So, what he is saying, if Gresham doesn't go to jail, he will start in business again. Won't he? And he can't offer you anything less than a partnership. And he can't offer you anything less than the partnership. പാർട്ട്ണർഷിപ്പിനേക്കാളും താഴെയുള്ള ഒരു പൊസിഷനും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആര് കൊടുക്കില്ല? ഗ്രഷാം കൊടുക്കില്ല. Baldwin, a partnership. John, with 100,000 capital you could put in the business. Here 100,000 capital. 100,000 തരാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ച മുതൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏതിൽ ഇടാവുന്നതായിരിക്കും? ബിസിനസ്സിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങൾ ഇടാവുന്നതായിരിക്കും. Okay. With the 100,000 capital you could put in the business, Dad. Baldwin, John, what you are saying? What do you expect me? John, of course, the capital doesn't matter. He will owe you quite a debt of gratitude besides. Of course, the capital doesn't matter. The capital here meaning, what is the meaning? ആ മുതൽ, അതായത് $100,000 എന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണ് ഇവിടെ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആ മുതൽ കൂട്ട്. That money, of course, the capital doesn't matter. It's not a matter. He will owe you quite a debt of gratitude beside. He will owe here meaning swear or promise. Okay, owe. Promise. Okay, owe here meaning swear. The another meaning is promise. So he will promise. Who will promise? Gresham will promise. Okay. He will owe you quite a debt of gratitude besides. So here, what he is saying? Gresham will be very faithful to Baldwin. Okay. Here the meaning is he will owe you quite a debt of gratitude. Here, gratitude here meaning faithful, grateful. So here what it's saying, Gresham will be very faithful to Baldwin. Here, of course, the capital doesn't matter. He will owe you quite a debt of gratitude besides. 100,000 would mean a great deal to us, Robert. If you don't find a position soon, John will have to support us. Who is saying this? Martha. What Martha is saying? 100,000 would mean a great deal to us. Okay. 100,000 is a big amount. It is a great deal. If you don't find a position soon, if you don't get a job soon. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് ഒരു ജോലി കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിത്തീരും? ജോൺ നമ്മളെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. John will have to support us. Here, John will have to take care of us. Okay, support us here meaning John will have to take care of us too. John, on $30 a week, Dad, that won't go very far. On $30 a week. How much he was getting? Only $30. Okay, so here John was getting $30 a week. John was getting $30 in a week. Okay, let me stop here and we can see in the next class. Thank you.